Hello friends, welcome to Success Point Academy. Today topic is drug calculation. So before move on to the video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button for more videos. The basic three medication formulas, one is for calculating the tablet dosage and another is for calculating the injection and then for calculating the IV fluids. So first we will see the how to calculate the tablet dosage. Formula for calculating the tablet dosage is required dose divided by stock dose. So here the required dose is what the doctor ordered and stock dose is what we get from the pharmacy. So here before division you must note the required dose unit and stock dose unit must be the same. For example, the example is a client is ordered 150 mg of aspirin and 300 mg is available. How many tablets will you give to your patient? So here the 150 mg order dose also given in mg and 300 available also it's in mg. So directly we can divide 150 divided by 300, so you get the half tablet. And the second formula is how to calculate the fluid dosage or like injection. Okay, so here required dose divided by stock dose multiply with stock volume divided by 1. So here also the unit must be the same. So here the stock volume is always comes in ml. So here for example a client is ordered 15 mg of Stretmil. You have 2 ml of solution which contain 25 mg of Stretmil. So what amount you will give to your patient? So here the both are given in mg, available dose and ordered dose is in mg, and the stock volume is 2. Okay, so here 2 ml contain 25. So ordered is 15 and we have 25 in 2 ml. So stock volume is 2 ml and stock dose is 25 and required dose is 15. So when you multiply and divide, then you get 1.2 ml. Then calculation for IV fluids. So in IV fluids we will be calculating drop per minute, ml per hour and infusion time. So for calculating the drop per minute, you must note the drop factor. Drop factor is number of drop per ml. So here based on the various IV set size, we have different kind of drop factor. This factor will be usually given in exam, in the question itself. For example, the regular set has 10 to 15, the blood set has the 10 to 15 drops and regular set has 15 to 20 drops and the micro set has 60 drops per ml. So here you must note the drop factor and also time in minutes. That is most important. Time in minutes should be. So here the formula for calculating the drops per minute is volume multiplied with the drop factor divided with time in minutes. Example is 1500 ml IV saline is ordered over 12 hours using the drop factor 15 drop per ml. So how many drops will you set per minute? So here drop factor they have given. So here again we have to apply the same formula. 1500 multiply with 15 and 12 into 60. Here over 12 hours they have ordered. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So 12 into 60 we get the total time in minutes. So here we get the answer 31 drop per minute. Okay, so here you must note one thing, the answer always should be in the whole number, not in the decimal point. Okay, and next is how to calculate ml per hour. Okay, so here total volume in ml and divided by number of hours. Here no need to take hours in minutes, so directly you can divide ml amount of fluid in ml divided with number of hours. And next is infusion time. For calculating the infusion time, total volume to infuse divided by number ml per hour. So ml per hour already in the previous slide we have seen. So here directly you can divide the infusion time. Okay. Friends, some practice question I have given here. Please go through it, and answer key is given at the end. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.